In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Apollo.io Chrome extension. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to install the extension. I would advise that you also make an account for yourself on Apollo.io's website. We do have videos and we will link a video to that in the description of this one. So for the extension, you just want to click on extensions on the top here and then manage extensions. For me, I'll have to click on web store on the left, and then I'll just search for Apollo, and then you'll just click on add to Chrome, Brave, Edge, whatever you're using. Mine's already installed, and now it'll immediately open up this page, and we can try it on Gmail, Google Calendar, and LinkedIn. And I think LinkedIn's going to be the easiest one to just demonstrate for you. So let's click on try it on LinkedIn, and you'll see it's going to automatically bring us to the founder's profile, but it will sign into your LinkedIn account. And you'll notice now there's this new sidebar on here. So on top here, I can switch between the personal account or the company account of this person, or information rather, and I can save the contact, though that will cost you a credit. I can add them to a specific list or a specific sequence. If I click on see all, then I can customize this little hub with all the quick actions I want, as well as I can customize my ribbons over here, like links for instance, or just reorder them. And if I want to, I can even view that contact within Apollo's interface. Generally though, I do believe this means they have to be an Apollo user. And that is pretty much all I wanted to show you for how to use the extension, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.